Want to use your Android phone as a remote for YouTube on your Google TV? If you cast YouTube from your Android, you can control everything on your TV. Play, pause, volume, and even search directly from your phone. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, make sure your Android phone and Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, open the YouTube app on your Android. Start playing any video. Then, at the top of the screen, you'll see a small cast icon. It looks like a TV with Wi-Fi waves. Tap on it. A list of available devices will appear. From the list, choose your Google TV. After a second or two, your iPhone will connect to the TV. If you have multiple YouTube accounts, you may need to follow a sign-in method each time you cast. Otherwise, it will instantly start playing on your Google TV screen. Once the cast starts, your phone becomes a full remote. And if you tap on the cast icon once again, you have this controller and mic option side by side. Let's tap the controller option. With this controller, you can literally use your phone as the proxy remote. Use the up, down, left, right button to navigate. Then tap the button in the middle to select anything you want. And you can also use the voice search feature. Tap on the mic icon and search for anything you want with your voice. For example, let's search Shape of You. And there is your song. So that's it. That's how you use your Android phone as your remote for YouTube on your Google TV. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.